So this is a Hotpoint Dryer Deluxe 9301 compact tumble dryer. This tumble dryer is the deluxe version. The other model that ran with this is the 9300, and that was the same as this but without a high heat low heat selector switch. This model ran with the early next generations, so the 9520, 9530. So it does go with my 9530 and dryer, and it is almond, as I'm sure you can see. I'll show you the fascia, then we'll load it up with some darks which I've just washed in the baby candy below. So yeah. So on the left side we've got the badge and name, we've got the drying guide with temperatures and heat selection. In the middle you've got this planked off grill, which on other models would be where the vent comes out. I can't remember if the 930 is vented through there or the back. This one has a hole at the back where you would attach a pipe and vent it out of a window or through the wall. And on the right hand side we've got the very simple controls. We've got low and high heat, a little dash on the switch. We've got our timer dial, the cool down phase, and up to 2 hours drying time. So the door catch is very similar to the washing machines, although not quite the same. We've got the peg which activates the door lock just there. On the door we've got our filter, then we have, that pulls off, we have the mesh, and then we've got the actual cloth filter. And we've got our plastic 2.75 kilo drum with three plastic lifters. So let's load up these darks then. Now compared to my earlier Hotpoint Liberator compact dryer, this is a lot quieter. I don't know why, it might be to do with the acoustics of where it vents, despite these being pretty much the same dryer underneath. It's single direction, so is the 9300. So the air goes through the drum and into the filter, which would be there, and it's forced up through the door into these two ducts and goes up to the back into the vent on the back left hand side. I'm amazed the clothes are staying in the drum doing it like this. Anyway, I'm going to leave that there. Thanks, Irene. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.